Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how you can make rules in your Discord channel. And this is quite simple. So first of all, create your Discord channel. So I'm using the server of Tommy Flex. And once you did that, click on the arrow just right there and go to server settings. Then from here, go to community and click on enable community and then do get started. And then make sure that you turn on both the settings and then do next. Then from here, create one for me for the rules or guidelines channel and do this for the community updates too, and then do next. Then click on I agree and understand and then do finish setup, and then we just created a community channel. Then go to moderation and then safety setup, and from there go to DM and spam protection and click on edit. Then from here, what we're gonna do is click on the members must accept rules before they can talk. Now I want to remove this, and if you click now on get started, we can add the rules that we want. So right now, if I click on be civil and respectful, we can add another rule, so no spam or self-protection. We can add more, like help things safe. And if you do safe just right now, people can see the rules that we have and they need to click on I have read and agree to the rules. Now, if you turn this on, it will work on your Discord channel, and this is exactly how this works. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.